Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to draw a Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, lightly sketch a long, narrow rectangle to represent the main body of the car. Then, add a smaller, slightly angled rectangle on top for the cabin. This initial framework is crucial for establishing the correct proportions. Remember to keep your lines light, as these are just guides. Aim for an overall length of approximately 3 wheel diameters to ensure your Tiguan looks just right. Now, let's focus on the wheels, which are key to any vehicle drawing. Carefully draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are all roughly the same size. Place the front wheel towards the front of your main body rectangle and space the others proportionally. Once your circles are in place, gently sketch the wheel arches as smooth, flowing curves around each one. These arches will give your Tiguan its distinctive stance and help define the lower body. With the basic structure and wheels in place, it's time to bring out the Tiguan's unique shape. Connect your initial rectangles and wheel arches with smooth, flowing lines to form the car's body. Next, add the recognizable grille, headlights, and taillights using simple geometric shapes as guides. Don't forget to include the side mirrors and subtle door lines. These details will significantly enhance the vehicle's overall structure and make it instantly recognizable as a Volkswagen Tiguan. For our final steps, we'll refine your drawing and add depth. Carefully erase all the initial guidelines, leaving only the clean outline of your Tiguan. Now, use shading techniques to create a three-dimensional effect, highlighting the car's curves and contours. Pay attention to where light would naturally hit the surfaces. Finally, add subtle details like reflections on the windows and the texture of tire treads to give your Volkswagen Tiguan a truly realistic and polished finish. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.